Hey health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into why you should eat garlic every day. Trust me, it's not just for warding off vampires. Garlic is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's low in calories but packed with manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium. These nutrients are essential for your overall health. One of the most impressive benefits of garlic is its ability to boost your immune system. It contains allicin, a compound known to fight infections and strengthen your body's defenses. Regularly eating garlic can reduce the frequency and severity of colds and other common illnesses. Garlic is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Speaking of heart health, garlic is your heart's best friend. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation. Studies show that consuming garlic regularly can lower the risk of heart disease. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Some studies even suggest that garlic may help prevent cancer. Though more research is needed, incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple way to boost your health. Garlic is also a natural detoxifier. It supports liver function and helps eliminate toxins from your body. To get the most out of garlic, consume it raw or lightly cooked. Crushing or chopping garlic releases its beneficial compounds, especially allicin. Add raw garlic to salads, dressings, and dips, or lightly cook it in soups, stir-fries, and roasted vegetables. So, there you have it. Eating garlic daily is a simple and effective way to boost your health. Enjoy this flavorful, nutrient-packed superfood every day. Until next time, stay healthy